everybody, this is Stan with PNY, and today I'm going to show you how to install an SSD into your laptop. First thing we're going to go over is what you might need. So a screwdriver is good to have in order to remove the back of the case. You're going to need your SSD, and we ship our drives with a 2.5mm adapter that'll help your SSD fit properly. First thing you're going to do is remove the power cable and remove the battery. And you want to make sure you ground yourself by touching something metal like a computer case, we've got one back here, or something like a doorknob in order to make sure that you don't have any static electricity that you might discharge into the system. Once you've done that, you can start by unscrewing the back the case of the laptop, or if your laptop has a particular cover such as this one, unscrew the cover or the back cover depending on whether or not your laptop has a hard drive cover or the entire thing. Once you remove the back of the cover, you've got some laptops will have a caddy. Unscrew the caddy and unplug the hard drive. Make sure to pay attention to which way the SATA cable connector is facing. And you're going to install your SSD the same way. So I'm going to keep the SSD upside down to make sure I remember. Unscrew the hard drive from the caddy. Remove the caddy. With the 2.5mm adapter, you're going to remove the adhesive backing and place the 2.5mm adapter on the bottom side of the SSD when you install it. Then you're going to replace the caddy, screw you're going to screw it back in. And plug the drive back into the system. Then you're going to replace any screws that you might have taken out. Close up the cover. Replace the screws back in. And now you can replace your battery. Plug power back in. If you've got an operating system CD, you can go ahead and install it on your SSD. Or if you would like, you can also clone the SSD from your old hard drive in order to maintain all your files. That's how you install an SSD into your laptop. Thanks, everyone. If you have any questions or need further assistance, contact PNY Tech Support at pny.com/support.